I'm Dr. Inder Singh and I'm a clinical director for SPT Ester4 and we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary. We have continuously improved our services and tried to deliver high quality care for our communities.
My name is Karen. I am one of the advanced nurse practitioners primarily based in the consultant-led medical assessment unit. We accept patients via GP and 999 referrals. We're always prepared for the unexpected, although we cannot treat life-threatening illness or injuries. We are experts at identifying urgent symptoms and signposting patients to the most appropriate treatment. Teamwork is imperative and we all work together to offer seamless and efficient care to local people.
Hi, my name's Amanda Duggan and I'm the pharmacy manager. Our pharmacy team contribute to the safe, seamless care and discharge of our patients. We provide prescribing advice to our colleagues to provide an efficient service. Our input directly improves quality of patient care and contributes to an excellent patient experience.
Hi there, my name is Kira Rice. I'm just one of the geriatric registrars working in YYF Hospital. YYF over the years has built an excellent service for geriatric specialties. We've got an in-house specialties for Parkinson's disease, palliative care, falls, stroke rehabilitation, along with our acute geriatrics elderly frailty unit. We assess and successfully transfer the majority of our patients on the same day, and our virtual inpatient service means most of our patients can actually be transferred home safely and brought back for pending investigations. Most of our patients' length of stay is subsequently reduced, and this has led to an overall improvement in their care.
My name is Angela Hall and I'm the team lead physiotherapist here at YYF. We are patient-centred and goal-driven here and we work as a key member of the team. We aim to engage, empower and energise our patients using a shared decision-making approach, working closely with the patients and their family to ensure a safe discharge.
I'd like to thank you all, my primary care colleagues and all the teams who have helped us reach where we are today. We would love to hear more from you all as our service users and to improve our services and welcome your feedback.